Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Grayson County in north central Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pottsboro, or 11 miles northeast of Whitesboro, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pottsboro around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Eisenhower State Park around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If on or near Lake Texoma, get off of the water and move to safe shelter immediately. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.
Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm
Well, it's Norman.
for western Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southern Lake Texoma, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations include Durant, Colbert, Cartwright, eastern Lake Texoma, Calera, and McBride. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service